The 2025 Ford F-350 XLT is built for those who demand serious strength, performance, and capability in a truck. This isn't just a pickup, it's a full-on powerhouse, designed for hauling, towing, and handling any job you throw at it. From construction sites to off-road trails, the F-350 XLT is a heavy-duty beast with the toughness to match. From the outside, the F-350 XLT commands attention with its massive front grille, sharp LED headlights, and bold Super Duty badging. The stance is wide and confident, sitting on 18 or optional 20-inch alloy wheels. The body is made of high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy, lightweight but super durable, so you get both toughness and efficiency. The tailgate is power-assisted, and the bed is ready for serious work, complete with built-in LED lighting, tie-down hooks, and an optional fifth-wheel prep package. Under the hood, the 2025 F-350 XLT offers multiple engine choices. There's the standard 6.8-liter gas V8, but if you need more muscle, there's the 7.3-liter V8 delivering over 475 horsepower. But the real monster is the 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel V8 that cranks out around 500 horsepower and an incredible 1,200 pound-feet of torque. That kind of power means this truck can tow over 24,000 pounds without breaking a sweat. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the ride is smooth and the response is instant. Step inside, and the cabin blends ruggedness with modern comfort. The interior is roomy and smartly designed, with durable materials built to last. You get a large 12-inch infotainment screen running Ford's latest Sync 4 system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and multiple USB ports. The digital instrument cluster gives you all the vital info at a glance. And with available heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and tons of storage, it's ready for long workdays or road trips. Safety is top tier, with Ford Copilot 360 features like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and adaptive cruise control. And with the available 360-degree camera system and Pro Trailer Backup Assist, even tight parking or tricky trailer maneuvers become simple. The 2025 Ford F-350 XLT is everything you want in a heavy-duty truck: raw power, advanced tech, and durability that lasts. Whether it's for work or weekend adventure, this truck is always ready to deliver. You're watching Car Trend, where power, performance, and passion drive every review.